Hello learners, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to calculate the percentage in Microsoft Excel. So here in this screen you can see the roll number of the students, the name of the students here, and the total marks. The total marks is 500, and here's the obtained marks, and the percentage column is empty because we will be calculating this one. So the process is very simple. We'll use a simple formula. First of all, what we are gonna do, we're gonna calculate the percentage for the cell number 2, okay? So we need to type equals to, and then we need to type the first parenthesis, and now simply click on any cell that you want to calculate. Like I'm gonna click on the obtain marks like 490. Just simply click on that and you can see the cell is automatically selected here, and then we're gonna multiply this with 100. Then I need to close the parenthesis and then divide it by the total marks. Here you can see the total mark is 500. As soon as I select the cell, this is selected automatically here in the percentage tab. Now we need to simply hit the enter button, and the percentage is calculated like the student, the name is A, and his percentage is 99.6. And what about the rest of the students? Do we need to repeat the procedure as it is again and again? Not at all. What we're gonna do, we just need to drag this below and release. And this is very interesting. You can see for the rest of the students, the percentage has been calculated automatically. And here we go. This is how we usually calculate the percentage using the formula. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.